What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. The trade setup from yesterday, like, we had the right idea, but it didn't quite end up playing out. I'm going to chalk it up to the fact that it was a non-news Tuesday, but today we have news. In fact, we have CPI. In fact, we have a very clear daily bias. And the moment we jump into the lower timeframes, we can see that we've got one potential, clean setup today. Although, if I'm going to be honest, this is not looking like the cleanest day, especially on a pre-news kind of like setup. And let me explain what I mean. So just to kick things off, we have a few relatively equal lows over here, which means that no matter what, you are going to sweep these lows before you have any sort of an up move. So if you are looking to get into a long right now is not the time to do so because, like, again, relatively equal lows. Acts as a magnet for liquidity. If you get in out, you're just going to get stopped out before the move happens. And that leaves us with basically one of maybe two possible likelihoods. One is that you sweep those lows and you head into this order block right here and you bounce from that point onwards. The second is that you come all the way down to sweep out these lows before you go up. Now, I'm going to bank on this one being the ideal setup for the day because in the event that you come all the way down here to sweep these lows, you're basically already confirming that you have a bearish 1 hourly change in state of delivery, which is ultimately not going to be pretty for a long setup. All you're going to want to do is to wait for a sweep of these lows, and then you're going to look for a 5-minute CIs. Exactly what time you should be looking for it? Well, you have news today, so make use of that news window. It's basically the hour before news to the hour after news. So basically starting from 7:30 a.m., you're going to start looking for the setup, which means that ideally the sweep should happen around 7:30 a.m. or before 7:30 a.m. And you're going to see a 5-minute change in state of delivery towards the upside from 7:30 to 8:30. I will be posting any updates to this trade on Twitter, so feel free to follow me there if you haven't already. By the way, if you guys would like to live trade alongside with me, I'm going to be hosting a free live trading event over the course of a couple of days. If you'd like to secure your spot, it's completely free. Click the first link in the description box below. But otherwise, like, the only thing you don't really want to see today is like price just keep going down and you do not get a bullish CISD. Basically, candle close on a 1 hourly chart below 68,350 is not going to be good as far as, Bitcoin is concerned, at least for a long setup. Now, if I do end up flipping my setup to a short setup, I'm definitely going to get you guys know. But so far, London is still very much just chopping around. And again, wait for the sweep. If you get in before the sweep, there's a very high likelihood you're going to get stopped out. So just be careful of that. Ethereum, you have a bullish daily bias as well. And in terms of the 1 hourly chart, you are basically going to be targeting these relatively equal lows. So basically all the way down at 1982. So basically once you sweep that out, you're going to look for a bullish CISD. But again, I would prioritize Bitcoin over Ethereum for today, simply because like Ethereum is looking a little bit weaker compared to Bitcoin, where Bitcoin, you can still kind of make the argument that, all right, this is just going to end up being a sweep. And also one other thing, because for Bitcoin, you can kind of argue that, all right, if you get that sweep over there, then that's going to be a pretty convincing move towards the upside. If it's Ethereum, it's a little bit harder to make that argument because technically you already have bearish CIC convincingly, in fact, on the 1 hourly chart. Now, in terms of Solana, we're looking at also a bullish daily bias, and this is also looking considerably weaker compared to Bitcoin. So I would just prioritize Bitcoin for today. In the event that you sweep out all of these relatively equal lows and you ultimately tap 84.26, I think there's still a potential for a nice setup on Solana. A little bit better than Ethereum, of course. And then but I, again, just prioritize Bitcoin simply because, like, guys, look at the setup. Tell me it does not look clean. But anyways, just a quick update for today. I actually have somewhere to be, so I'm going to have to get rushing. See you guys later on X when I make any trades or when I make any updates to the trade. Ciao, ciao.